If you're too tired to think about retirement planning right now, this video is for you. 3 things in one focused hour. And when you're done, you'll feel relieved, probably proud of yourself, and maybe even a little bit excited for what comes next. Lately, a lot of women I work with are feeling overwhelmed, and the world seems noisy and there's a lot going on, work is too much. It's all a lot. And honestly, same. So here are 3 retirement tasks you can do in an hour or less. Let's go. Task 1, calculate your keep the lights on number. This is not your dream budget, this is your survival must-haves. So here we go. Open a blank piece of paper and write down rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, groceries, minimum payments on your debt, and real life essentials like phone, internet, and gas. Real life essentials are not Ulta, nails, and your hair. That's for me. Add it up. That is your baseline monthly survival number. And now you have done something incredibly useful. So when you look at your accounts later, you're going to know exactly what you need to survive each month. Okay, real quick pause. If you're not sure where to focus first in retirement, I made a really fun retirement vibe quiz. It's pinned below, and the link is there. It's super fun and quick, and it will help you decide if you need to focus more on money or finance or purpose or community. It's a great place to begin. But anyway, back to our hour. Task 2, log into every account you have. No shame spiral, no judgment. Just log in. You're going to look at your 401k, an IRA, any pension plans, anything that's outstanding that you've Roth IRAs. Write all this stuff down. Oh, and if you haven't, make sure you sign up for ssa.gov, your Social Security account. Make that account. Do not get sidetracked by the fun little things you can change. Whether you were going to retire at 65, how much money would that be? Or 67, 70, go play with that later. Just write these things down. Write the approximate balance. Then if you have to reset any passwords, do that now. And keep these things all together where you can find them, but not where everybody else can find them. So that's it. You would be surprised how many smart, capable women haven't logged into any of these accounts in years. Avoidance is our coping mechanism often, and it just increases anxiety. It doesn't help anything. Maybe increases the need for chocolate. When I'm working with clients, this is often one of the first places we start. We start pulling out the numbers. We don't judge them. I don't judge them. Certainly don't judge them, because I have had the phase of life that has been the don't answer the phone because it might be a debt collector. I'm certainly not one to judge. And it's a great place to start and get real with ourselves. And trust me, you are not alone, and you have just done something super powerful right now. You've chosen stability and not anxiety. You can see the whole picture. You now know what you have to live monthly, and now you know approximately what you will have to live on, and you can make some real life decisions. Well, let's keep going. Task number 3, choose one focus for the next 90 days. This is the magic. Pick one thing. Here's some examples. Pay off one specific debt, build a $1,000 buffer, increase your retirement contribution by 1%, research downsizing, start one health habit. Just pick one. You don't have to do everything right now. Social media terrifies us that in midlife we have to fix everything right now. You just take one step, and then later, when you're ready, you take another. Look, you don't need to repair your entire financial life this quarter. You just need momentum. One clear focus for the next 90 days will build your confidence, and confidence builds consistency. And now, instead of feeling overwhelmed by all things retirement, you have a clear directions for the next 90 days. That is huge. It is amazing. And you, my friend, have done more retirement planning in this hour than most people will do all year. I'm so proud of you for taking this on, and if you want more practical conversations like this one, please subscribe and join us here. And don't forget to take the retirement vibe quiz. It's linked below. It's super fun. Together, we're building a life we love. Until next time, this is GenX Missy reminding you that if you start now, Literally go. Start now and get it done. We can retire happy.